Hello ladies and gents, in this devlog we're gonna make an NFT collection. For real. Jaden Step, a stupid 15-year-old, is a guy who made $60,000 making this shit. His dad was like, no way this is actual money. Those are his actual words. I think what he was trying to say is, no way I went to work every day. I worked hard to just receive a couple bucks at the end of the month to pay the fucking bills, while my 15-year-old son proves to me that I can sit on my ass at home, draw some doodle, and sell it to some stupid people for $60,000. What did I do wrong? This is not supposed to happen. Did I waste my life? What is the meaning of my life? Hope Jaden's dad overcome his midlife crisis by liking this video and subscribing to the channel. Make a change today. But anyways, as programmers, we are all Jaden's dads. I mean metaphorically, you dirty-minded fucking bad. We work hard every day and we don't get a lot of money. But look no more, because tonight I'm gonna show you how you can turn things around and how I'm going to turn things around. Some of you may be sitting on your asses thinking, oh yeah, if it's that easy that you say, why is it that nobody else is doing it? Oh yeah. The truth is that so many people are making NFTs now, so we need something to make it special. Some time ago, some programmer was so fucking bored that he made an algorithm that speaks. It's called GPT-3. GPT-3 works perfectly, you can test it, it's free. Here is my plan. We're gonna use GPT-3 to make codes about how useless NFTs are. We're gonna put those codes on our NFTs and we're gonna sell them to NFT lovers. I'd say that's a pretty good plan, isn't it? Wouldn't you say? Would you say that? Won't you say that? I can't believe this is free. Let me make this smaller so you can see. That's what she said. Suggest short codes about how useless NFTs are. These are actually really good codes. Oh my god, they actually added to my account balance. GPT-3 came up with, I'm not sure what an NFT is, but I'm pretty sure it's not funny. I'm not buying an NFT because I don't want to be the butt of jokes. We've got this, baby. Okay, now that we have the codes generated by GPT-3, the most important part of an NFT is the art. Leonardo da Vinci could have made millions of dollars making NFTs because he's an excellent artist. But us programmers, we can't draw shit because we're not artists. We're not good at art. We're programmers. We're not good at programming either, we're just good at Googling things. But anyways, the point is, we're not good at art. So to make this step a lot easier, we're gonna use pixel art because it's much easier to draw some pixels. So step one, we need to come up with a style. We need to come up with some sort of a style. I'm not a professional pixel artist, so I'm gonna search for pixel art styles, pixel art characters, and choose one that I like and try to kind of replicate that art style. This one looks beautiful and it's simple enough. This one is even more awesome. Whoa, I don't know if I can pull that off. This is really professional. I can't do that. I'm not good with that. Maybe we can try. I think we should. Another thing that we need, which is really important and can make your art style pop out of the screen and look beautiful is color palettes. When you have a good color palette and you mess up your drawing, it still looks good. So step 2, we need to draw parts of the face. So our Python code could grab random parts and put them together to generate a random image. Five eyes and 5 eyebrows, 3 types of noses, 5 types of mouths. We can have 131,250 different combinations. Congratulations! You now have an NFT collection. There's a 50% chance of it being a few. Yeah, that's a pretty one. The final part is to put the generated text on the image. That is pretty easy, right? No. Turns out texts don't like to act in the ways that you think they should. Yeah, that's what happens. We need to code a little thing that chops our text into parts and just writes them one piece at a time, so that the words don't go out of the canvas of our image. I mean, that's gonna be easy, right? Okay, this is when you can know someone is a good developer or not. It's by looking at the code and making sure that that code will work. The algorithm will work. I'm not saying that Gen Z kids are lazy, I'm just saying that if they were any lazier, they would die. That's a good quote, and that's beautifully image. So, okay guys, that's it for the video. Thank you, like, subscribe. I'm trying to put out a devlog every other day, so make sure to subscribe to see the next episode. In the next episode, I'm gonna make this NFT collection public on OpenSea. See ya.